today, Waka, they go the program Good Morning from Benin, they reach you from independent television. For time when BC not we don't see many things that when BC they happen, especially when BC concern politics for those states. At the same matter now, BC will go still look how it be. But the one when BC say you can't be with the year before say this political party, you get under political party and all of that. But when they say I'm now say the ruling political party when BC they for the national level and they for the state level here too, that they get some kind of things they want BC. We want me some people can't tell us how it be and the way it's supposed to be. Because they come to tell us now, say they want to do primary for those state governorship election, for time when BC no go take, and now how they will do the primaries now be what you call they bring talk when BC they follow them. Because of this one, we go outside, we go bring people there when BC they are here sharp for this kind of matter, I mean they talk to us. We get first here, we get the Director of Strategy, POI campaign, that's Pastor Sagi Zayamu campaign organization, our friend and brother, Pius Adile. Welcome to our program.
Good morning, my people.
I greet you.
I'm happy to see you this morning.
Okay. We're still happy to see you too. We get here, the person when BC really make that name, when BC they call a majority leader, the real major himself, the authentic major, when now BC with the color of the Delta Assembly, former majority leader of the Delta Assembly, and I see the chairman of the APC Mobilization Committee, no other person but Honorable Matu Iduoyekire. Welcome to our program.
My people, good morning.
We know say yesterday you did very, very compliant for this matter for COVID-19. I beg so we go see your face well because last thing they reflect well, we could see your face well. And you go help us remove this thing, Abi? I go be.
Well, if we check the distance, say it not going to affect anybody. Nobody go cough, nobody go to talk with. This person, I feel come out because I'm not saying I commit.
You don't say I know what you talk.
I don't know say you like life like that.
Life sweet, life sweet. Yeah, you say nobody go cough because you know make everybody give. I don't give anybody at all. That's it. That's the value way.
Since I not talk, are they okay?
Since that the value way place for life, we like our way. No come matter when we say for granted for us to share. The matter when we say concern the forthcoming governorship election for Edo State. Team will be here now and say direct primary now they want to use to get person when will be the flag bearer for APC to contest the next governorship election. That's the national working that's the headquarters for APC talk. Before we know what they happen now, so people say we no go agree. And we come say and say you the real major come talk and say on our side so no go agree. Why una no wan agree for this direct mode of primaries for the APC?
Not be say our side say we no go agree. If you dey follow party, now the rule where the party put down, everybody dey follow. Before the last governorship primaries, where they do for the whole Nigeria, the party neck, now be the body where we say get the power to take final decision for inside this our APC. Talk say every state now go decide which kind of primary system they go adopt. So within that time, let me do chairman for the primary committee for Kaduna State, House of Assembly, House of Reps, Senate, and even the governorship. Now the stakeholders will say the party will go say this is our state. As it be so, now so we want make it be. And you go see for the whole of Nigeria, except maybe Lagos State because of the Katakata way them get. All the states now indirect primaries. Even presidential primaries, where they take nominate President Buhari, now indirect primaries. Why did they use indirect primaries? When you want to use indirect primaries, you go reduce the number of people. When you reduce the number of people, not be waiting that they call electoral college
for America, for US.
You can't use delegate people. We say now them they carry the authority of the other party members take vote for them. They make the system more transparent because everybody go to see. If they do indirect primaries now, ITV, BS, NTA, even CNN, channels, all of them go to see them. So you know if you do mago. So when they do the vote finish openly, they will still count. Everybody go to hear they count. Now this one get this one, now this one get this one. You will see it made the system very, very easy to know who win.
Okay, we'll come back to that one because again, matter maybe I want me to put more water. By the time I come back to it. But before then, he don't talk and I say Now, so they be they come right from time. I would don't say and say over 96%. I say my brother, they call him Edopola Yemek when they talk on the other time. Say over 96% of election BC don't when APC don't conduct primaries. Oh, now indirect primary. Why you can't be saying I can't change her now? Those are not sure. Say Ghana for kind for mine. I make no one changer.
Yeah, my brother, you do well for that question. I want say, I want make my people know. Say na 3 method. 9 party they use till they bring their candidates.
No, the APC.
For the APC. One are direct primary. The other one are indirect. The other one are consensus. These 3 methods, we recognize them for APC constitution. Now, so that they do one, that one a convention. Waiting day paper, now law be that. Law, people when go school know say law is strong past convention.
Okay.
Now my leader now he know say law strong past convention.
Now what you know now they tell us now.
But he know say waiting day our paper APC constitution. Now be the paper where they guide APC.
All members.
All members. These 3 methods, they the constitution. Waiting the National Working Committee say make we do. It not be waiting on the constitution. And apart from that, waiting person they fear for. If governor say he don't work, he don't tie all the road when they begin.
No, that one.
No, hold on. Waiting person they fear for. These 3 methods, now method where they recognize for law. Not be you, be student, where we say you go school finish, you go set exam for yourself. No. Now the National Working Committee, now the part that they fix them, even if state fix themselves, is subject to the approval of the National Working Committee.
Make I correct you for them.
My leader, when you dey talk, I don't talk. My leader, you are my leader. When you dey talk, I don't talk. I keep quiet.
Because the time you dey talk, now don't dey pass when I take talk.
No, my leader.
Make it. I know you want anchor now.
No, but if
You want anchor now. You want anchor now.
make this talk for day sweet for everybody. If they give us 1 minute to talk, when that 1 minute reach, no matter what I don't talk, we go stop.
Okay, no problem. Since you want to use time now, we go start the use time. So make you anchor now.
I just start to
anchor.
Begin talk when my leader say make I not talk. Now these 3 methods. Now direct primary na better pass. And the reason when I talk, we say every party member when get card go fit go vote. The market woman when be party member go fit go vote. Everybody get opportunity to vote.
So now the concept say direct primary na better pass now.
Now they call individual political right.
Okay.
Law they call and say inalienable rights.
Okay.
Right where nobody no fit take from you.
Okay.
APC na party where get respect for its members.
Okay, no problem. We'll come to you again. You get one thing when we say you talk now before you go correct that impression when you feel saying a wrong impression when you give. You talk say if they don't do them, the National Working Committee will come and say see the one we want to use. The state will come to say see what we go use. You know sure say yes before NEC go approve them. You get some kind of things when they go still meet before yes they go approve them. Because NEC they approve and be?
Yes.
So if you correct that your impression, you say work to correct just and then make it take my question.
Like I talk. Now NEC, now he decide, say every state go agree on the pattern where they want to do primaries, whether not direct, whether not indirect, whether not consensus. Now, when NEC take that decision, when you decide for your state, you go inform the National Working Committee because the National Working Committee now then get the power to guide the conduct of primaries. Now the National Working Committee, they not be law to themselves. The National Working Committee get to seek approval of NEC to say this now it will be. Not be the one we call the do for newspaper like Tribune. I see for Tribune where they write black and white. Say National Working Committee say our decision for direct primary. Nobody fit change that. It's irrevocable. As if now they be the final authority. The reason they say, like I talk when I start, over 90% of all APC primaries
before today,
for the governorship level and all those things, now indirect. Now all of them they do. Now, the conditions wey you go still take do direct primary, it's very easy to say, oh, all party members, inalienable right of every party member. Very good explanation say every party member fit go vote. The first question we go first ask for Edo State now, as we did. When be the last time for Edo State when the party update the register of the members? The party constitution make it clear. Say when they update that register every 6 months. Even when they say they give waiver that day, they do this. That's when they give waiver, for instance. You go first ask yourself, say, that person name don't do the register of the party for a ward, first as a party member. So you go ask, not when you get valid register, where they go publish, updated as at the day where they do them. Nobody go say this is the register of members. Nobody want they run now, go they try to whether they reach.
Okay, wait, I come to you. I want to clear something here. I don't know which one will be the register, the one who will give us the register now. Because one group they claim say now then get APC for Edo State. On that group they claim, you know, here we get one person they claim say be chairman for APC. On that one they claim say be chairman for APC. We get one when we say they claim secretary for this. I get another we say which one can be authentic one we can use now.
Now listen, APC only get one executive.
Okay. For
Edo
State, okay.
And that executive, whether those of them where they say them be members of the state working committee, where they say they change anybody, say they remove the chairman with power, where we say they not get, nobody will come here and talk now.
But in this case now, because we have two. Now which one will come follow?
Listen now, you know say now only one APC secretary and I did the state. Okay. You know say now only one APC ward secretary and I did all the 192 wards for this state. Like my ward, 2 secretariats not there. Okay. So I never see 2 APC secretariats. All the ward chairman for APC for Edo State, now the same. It don't matter whether fashion this some day this fashion, they don't do this fashion. But the point we say, the party as of today, now one party. Okay. The state chairman of the party did there, as Lemojezwa did there. Other members of the ESCO did. Those are the way they say they suspend or remove as Lemojezwa, they don't say they don't get the powers. They see the, so when you bring the final list of the ESCO, now see the ESCO as at the last state congress and national convention of APC. Now that list now be the list of the executive. Like some people when they go visit, they want to talk now. Why I don't go fit talk. Like he talk. You know, my very good friend.
We they call you leader here since now.
Yeah, we do very close.
But you know they follow the leadership where they give you that.
No, we do very close. But he also know. See, as at the last time when he contest election, we mean no. He contest election. You know the APC. We never know say you do enter APC until I say I'm for this place just now when I come.
Okay.
You see when I first tell I say when did they greet me with a joke and they say I don't want to answer you. So
I see you, yeah,
because now my very close friend.
Okay.
So as of today, when you come say who be APC member, me come surprise say now person with DSDP now I come want to talk for APC say I mean why now they contest election. Okay. I never hear of anything when they don't go whether in ward, go join the party now say you don't join or anywhere. So first and foremost now the register of the party now you go determine who be the members of the party.
Okay. The updated one.
To do direct primaries, you must get an updated register. But I can tell you this party never update the register for the past 1 year.
Okay, I'll come to you again. You know today, but make you know say it's whether they talk. You don't take more than 1 minute, so just in case they talk.
Now my leader, not office talk.
But you know the follow. You know the follow leader.
Can you stop me just now?
Okay, we got the leader. Okay.
See, you know what happened? Now you see market. Governor move people from market. He moved them go
primary schools, right?
If you go the market, 1 year now for you, go there. Now every day that they do market there, every day.
You don't say a primary school, opposite us.
No social distance, nothing. You go there, go see her.
No, which one get to do with? Which one get to do with this?
Explain that now. You wait. You listen to me. Indirect primary. That's what they carry people come home from different local governments. Now, NCDC they talk about community spread. For COVID-19, what do you call it? They talk about community spread. Governor bring list that day. He said some local government never get, they not get any case of. Now you want to carry people from that local government. You want to carry them come Mogbe Stadium or carry them come Benin. Then you can't give them COVID-19. Maybe they can't carry and go back to their village and their town. In that primary, they congregate people for one place. It not be like direct primary. Direct primary they decentralize. Now one they call decentralization. What it may be say people go stay for where they. Yeah, you will stay your ward. you go stay your unit. You understand? Your unit fit not even far from your house. When you vote finish, you go your house. You understand what they talk? It's different from
you talk about one thing about transparency for indirect for direct primary because they hear before today wait no before you go say man
you go say my time don't finish.
No, that's your time to talk. That's your time to talk.
Because my leader now go to talk say my time I don't go.
No, timekeeper here.
No, me the keeper where. Now, may I tell you, say indirect primary they carry people. For and na so bribe then they bribe people. My leader and a politician, he know wetin dey talk. He know. You understand? And he's a very brilliant politician. Me know.
Okay.
Me dey talk say he know say that direct primary na better pass. Indirect primary na money inducement, very corrupt process, the most fraudulent process. May pardon me small, may I speak small grammar.
Carry on now.
You understand? Now fraudulent process. Because government get money, he dey sit down for our money, he go fit share am.
No, this one. I'm not sure that you get base. You don't get base for all this one. No, you feel not get base for this one.
You don't get money. Here no go let her talk. Say he want go do indirect primary because indirect primary now money they share. They go carry people from different local government, put them for one room. They go they give them money.
That is what they vote for.
Yes, it's easy to bribe people. But for direct primary, you don't go to bribe anybody because now all the party member wey get card. Now you go street, go vote. How many you will feel bribe?
But
what's your plan? I want to answer my leader. Which one could transparent pass? The system where say you feel bribe people, and the system that make it difficult for you to bribe people. Which one could be transparent? Which one could be the transparency? Because the small school where I go teach me say transparency now waiting everybody feel see. Direct primary now everybody feel see. Everybody feel know. Indirect na fraud. And the reason why some people they fear say they know say when you don't treat your party people well, what do you think say they go do?
Okay, we'll cut all of this. But may I let you know? Then they get. You wait now. You know say the party indirect if I don't make mistake. I not be politician like you. Wait first now. Wait first now. Make me try make agnostic confuse myself too for which I hear from you. If you go there go vote now for indirect, everybody sound they counter. 1, 2, like that. Everybody go wait first now. Okay, if for indirect now they talk now. They go see somebody gather all of us gather they go see them. But that indirect when they don't finish, we hear of cases say not be waiting we see for what will happen for unit A before you call Richard they call announce and they call hear different things inside. That kind of thing they happen.
You want go tell INEC.
But
INEC want do election for September. Not be you know vote. Not be everybody want to do the vote. So that's why you want to tell INEC say INEC rig election.
Okay, no come on.
If INEC won't adopt indirect primary, indirect way of voting for general election, why should our party APC?
The question I ask you, wait first.
Answer my leader.
You don't be answer that since now. Make you wait first.
I want to quick answer my leader here when he talks saying don't know whether I did APC
or they for SDP.
I get card. I follow Isaiah Yamu enter APC.
Okay.
You understand? I am one of the people when Isaiah Yamu follow carry. Enter, you know say in a political enigma where get a lot of people. Me na one of the people where he get. Though I get many leaders, so like him is my leader.
Okay.
But this time I decided to follow Uno Road. You understand what I'm saying?
You blast it, you say our leader here Uno Road. When you wait now, wait, make you know what to do there. I do look and say, this one they call waiver and no waiver and everything. If person want to enter a political party, and if you say now they say now from the grassroots. For granted for the enter, yes. But we no come see say wait first now. We no hear say the word when be say your leader when you call so for come. We no hear anytime say you go there, go declare there. But instead for Abuja now be say we call the CM.
Article 9 of APC Constitution talk say na 2 methods.
Okay.
Now you fit take enter the party.
Okay.
The way they do the people when draft
the 2 methods.
One now through online.
Online.
Okay, now online.
Online.
No,
no, Article 9 for APC Constitution. Make quota now. If person reach us, go check out. If not lie at all.
Okay.
You go either use online or you go your word. Go carry card. I go my word, I get card.
Okay.
My Pastor Sage is there. I'm going word for Oriomo.
Go take card.
Go take card.
Okay. Wait. If you continue, I don't let you finish now. I don't let you finish now because we finish now. We know we come out because now you just decide the whole thing. Now you want to end. Make I come this year. I will say now. I want to say honorable. I want to find out from you, majority leader or major. I want to find out from you. Are you saying somebody like Pastor Sage Ezeyamu na no know as member of the APC?
Well, you know say I keep quiet just and let
no, just ask simple, very harmless question.
Keep quiet, make I talk.
Okay.
When I talk, if you get questions, make you ask me. Okay. Now, in the first case, I tell her, say, in Nana they talk, say, in follow Ezeyamu, come APC. But me, Matido Ekeme, I know say Ezeyamu never join APC.
No, say never join.
Yes. He go with EPM members. EPM not be APC. EPM not just a group of people will be members of APC. When they say they get personal issues with governor, like when they talk through one kind of word, you don't take care of party members. When you put another program, we can talk about the achievements of government. All of us will come here, we will come talk. Now, if they talk about Article 9, say if you join party online, if you join party anyway. If you go to that same article now of the Constitution, it says even when group can't join party, a group, like they come as a group can't join party, the party will welcome them. When the party will welcome them finish, every member of that party go individually, they go their award, go join the party for the award. Even when you want to apply for waiver to the National Working Committee, even when you want to apply for waiver, when they apply for waiver for to the National Working Committee, that application will start from your ward to local government to state,
before
state
national.
The right and the black and white. They talk about law just now, convention and statute. That's what the right hand put for the APC constitution, not be me and now right hand. That's what they say. If you want to apply for waiver, you go come your ward, that you go start the waiver through the processes. Because they're only from still in the build house now. Now foundation you go lay before you go reach that stage. But that will not be matter for today. That will matter. We say if you get to that stage, we'll know how to cross that one. Then on the issue of the direct primaries, when they talk just now, say indirect people go to bribe. It's very easy to bribe people.
Yeah.
Even for Nigeria, you and I know say even the direct primaries where they talk. The people where they say they want to go the wards. Why did they ask for direct primaries? They don't get party members on ground. Like I talk, if you watch when they go, if you watch the television yesterday, they watch the even for ITV this morning. Most of the people they say they go follow Pastor carry from. Now EPM members and people like my friends, then Abubakar Momo them, will be say the last election all of them are SDP. I never even know whether they APC as of today. Now, their plan is say when you go, even if we say we want to do the direct primary, forget about COVID-19. COVID-19 will be the issue. The issue now who get people. When you go to do the direct primary, then don't write their own result they go carry because they get one man with the Abuja for up there. We go say na in the National Working Committee. So you don't care. So if we do anything we want to for here, they go write their own. Then they say I don't know for a local government. Then they say for my local government, for instance, they don't get one place where they want to do. APC secretariat for all the wards na the same place. So if we say we even go vote for the APC secretariat, we know ourselves. We know how many way them big, where they did the other side, where they go fit come there. Then they say their number are nothing compared to members of the party we want the governor to continue all the good work we say the governor they do.
But why you want to put this side now? They want to see the governor talk now say I've earned it, it's still non-negotiable, that it should come as a consensus candidate.
Well, first and foremost.
Because I know the way the stand says, I know before you even become where you did today now, you don't do many elections. Good. And you don't do primaries. You don't go contest with other people. The one governor told you say, nah him. Nobody should contest with him. Now consensus candidate is supposed to be. Then you won't put that one.
Well, that one the governor, where him they assess himself.
Okay.
You go also know say for this our state, no governor will don't be sitting governor for this state. Don't do mid-term primaries with any opponent. Lucky they don't do governor for here. Anybody contest with our second term for primaries, you need this state. Osomole do governor for this state for ACN or the party where the party be that time. In second term, who contests with them? Most governors, when they believe say the work we then do for the first 4 years.
Speak for them.
Speak for them, and that job, end them the second term. Just like Buhari do first term, who follow and contest second term. I believe say, now looking from that background, now the governor say, I don't work enough. I aim to continue, make it for the work where I don't start, make I do and well, make I consolidate and make the work solid, gidigba. On that premise, now I believe say governor will say, I don't say governor they fear anybody to contest election. If, like you said, me don't contest primaries, if me, in my own assessment, I think that the governor not do well. So now 22 million naira now I'm going to go see take buy form to contest primaries. Who among the people when they say they want to do governorship, so when they come to say those state, say they know this state pass me, or they get more passion for this state pass me. But we don't say the work with this man they do. Now the work with say even if we be governor, now so we go still do the work. We know we move do and this some areas we do because the background of where the man they come from, some contacts we get, we not get them as proper politicians. So we may we do the thing differently. We for still do some of the things, but some of the level of achievements we don't achieve based on the contacts we don't get, the extent we don't reach. Maybe some of us we for not do them. Now, when you are now talking about, when we talk about say when you do direct primaries, even market when we get party card, this one will do this. The simple question when I ask me say, why you can't be saying now when people they feel say government don't they bring money come make we share money where we will take work. Now I can't say we want to do direct primaries. Why not talking with the
because I first asked the question.
Why my brother make one can come and say you know they take care of party members? How do you take care of party members? Do you want to take care of few people at the expense of the larger populace of people? When I leave my house just now, I'm not starting to interrupt you, let me finish. When I leave my house just now, you give me time, say my day 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
I fit drive from my house, come here. I time when I tell the house. When they come and say whether I don't do the road, that's how I make it. As I time, why I feel the chair? Because the road good.
Right.
So I fit plan my journey and I meet the appointment. In my brother way there, so not be obodo na indi. When he come back, when he come tell me say he want contest election that day, not be say the kind things we do experience there. He want how those kind things also take fit dey here. The obodo way dey so in the see government they carry money go dey share to people. Not be say government go do something finish, you go come dey do business, your business go grow, then the environment go come dey easy for you to fit thrive or for you to fit do better and do well.
Okay, you know what you did there? We go take some calls so they will fit ask a question how the thing they happen they go. But you don't raise hand just like one person for one thing. If everybody correct, all of us they correct, like, we don't feel common because you will still correct me now for
two things I want to talk. You know go take time.
Okay.
One, as Lemo Joshua, they don't suspend them.
Nah.
National Working Committee ratify them, and court never change them. As Lemo Joshua is not the chairman of the.
Listen to me.
The actual chairman.
Listen now. No. There's a court ruling. There's a court ruling as of today. Upholding and recognizing as the chairman of the party.
The party leader.
No, Claire. I don't want to argue. First and foremost, you better ask yourself. Say, state working committee get power to suspend the chairman. The constitution when they talk so. You want to read down?
My leader, you do talk, I keep quiet.
No, at this point.
Now the second one,
you don't say no because
no politician don't tell governor make share money. Governor never mention one person name.
What share money gives?
That is one. Two party leaders when you dey curse, say they be thief, they be criminals. You understand?
Okay, when
you drive, come on for government house. Wait. Now the same people they go for you.
Mention
wait first. You see, if all of us talk, if all of us wait first now, maybe you wait now. Because it doesn't bring some kind of sense. Because it sends some kind of what we say.
So when you talk this now,
when you go say you drive party that
you wait. If we continue,
or for instance, when you drive Alile, not be say party, you go say not make ambiguous statement.
Okay,
you know, if the have even reply when you talk say politicians are thieves. You don't reply and now say politicians are not thieves. You know get this, Benin. You know be journalist.
Okay, more takes okay. Gentlemen, we know go fit go like this. The better will take small break.
I heard ITV.
We will take small break.
I hear that one.
No, everybody for Benin here now, my leader.
More than wait. See, Major, I want to first salute you for the way they go with distances. And I go tell you, my brother, Mr. Pat Alile, may still calm down small, so we go to move. They may wait, we don't need to. Nobody everyone at all, nobody go reply. But we will take some course now, so we go move ahead and all that. Somebody line. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Who will they talk with?
My name is Awele. I'm calling for Benin.
Okay, which question you want to ask, my brother?
Hello?
We dey hear you, carry on.
What I want to concerning this thing? See, I tell you, what I want to concerning this thing, whether they discuss for the concerning policies of Edo State. If the governor no say him do well, may go for direct primary, why the national chairman they talk. Because you not get the way we wanted to. Number one, I want to Matthew Dekin, where they did there. Say now national chairman they submit me. Where they say if you win as a primary, now they submit me, and at the national secretary. That's what I'm saying. So maybe if you not say they're popular, may go for the one way national chairman stop the national chairman because you know what? Because the party is supreme. The party gets supremacy. Whether they use, you know, come and say your own candidate say not any party, now say flag up. No.
Okay, no problem. You say the party gets supremacy. You say now what is party talk? Now this is supposed to follow. We will come to that one later. Somebody else there. Hello, good morning. I'm fine. Who would you talk with?
Yeah, my name is Aaron Boblis.
Okay.
I want to quickly tell Matthew Dekin that is not the kind of man you should sit and be discussing with, because this part of
No. We know if we take that one at all. We know if we take that one. If you know say you want to talk to an issue. Talk to the issue. Don't be saying you call the cat as passions or anybody. That's what our brother did that, but let me quickly apologize. So, hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. My name is Waifu.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, I want to commend the two moderators.
Okay.
Now let's talk about the direct or indirect primaries. The other man, Mr. Pius, said indirect primaries give room for corruption. Are you not saying your party is corrupt for them to have practiced about 71 out of the about 72 primaries conducted so far? Then secondly, you talk about sharing money. That should be out of the question, because even during voting, parties share money and it's across board. So don't bring in sharing of money for indirect primaries to this argument.
Okay.
If your party has practiced over 71, they have done over 71 primaries and they use indirect, why are you applying direct? The only place where direct was brought up was in Lagos, because the party executives were not happy with the sitting governor. That's the same thing you guys are trying to do in Edo State. Please, let's call a spade a spade. If your party has been practicing indirect primaries, that should also stand in Edo State. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll take one last corner before we we'll go take the answers. Hello, good morning. Hello. Help us reduce the volume of your television before you talk to us. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Who would you talk with you?
Yes, no, I'm from Namuro.
Okay. Carry on, madam. Hello? That's clear. That is not clear. We would like to take one that comment, verse. When the thing don't clear, you call us again, maybe go down declare. Hello, good morning. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, who would you talk with?
I'm Bude Samuel, calling from Benin City, Benin City. Well, the two members of the panel, they have spoken well. I don't think there is any problem here from what both of them have canvassed. Like Idwoyekere submitted and like Pius Alile too submitted, that it is the party that decides which mode of primaries that they should do. Yes, the party in the state, who is not the party? Is it the governor that is the party?
the pious and electoral. The party and APC that we know in Benin, they have decided that they are going for the direct primary. And everybody should submit himself to that. It's not the governor that should say which mode of primary that should be, adopted.
Okay.
It is the APC.
All right, no problem. We go. Make we leave it like that. Make we respond to one of the one after the other. My brother, the question will be say me ask you. Somebody else ask. He say how come now? Now be say yes. They do they do and they continue. They don't sound successful since then. Now I can't see him. Say yes. Say the thing no good again. And after all the one I don't do now, you just say that one they do. Say that indirect say now for corruption and the rest. Also now be say yes. Are you saying all the process that all of it corrupt?
Yeah, you know say when the national chairman Dan Soshomele, when he enter power as the national chairman, one of the things will be in your program when he talks say he want sell, he want give the people that this direct primary. In so many ways, he don't they talk about her. He don't they talk about her. He don't they talk about her. So now in program when he like.
The constitution of this year with that.
I don't tell you this.
No, not the act. You know they get her clear. The question I don't ask you now. Oh, show me like personality. Now we go follow. Now waiting the constitution talk. Now we go follow.
Constitution talk.
Okay.
APC constitution talk say direct, indirect, and consensus. Okay. I don't first talk. These three things are legal. Not be bad thing. It's not out of the law. My leader here never talk say the direct primary is not in APC constitution. Now I say convention. Say they don't they do and so we they do and now so we they do and before. Now convention. It's not big pass waiting day book. That's I don't first talk. Sometimes you have to go back to the constitution when you get that constitution. Look, this is not the first time. The last election for APC they do direct primary. For Lagos they do direct primary. So they don't do this direct primary. Don't be saying this is the first time when we they introduce them.
Okay.
So now what you do one thing, we do one thing. You can still change as long as it is within the law of the party.
Okay, no wahala. You get to see somebody talk just now. He talk around say this matter when be say they for ground be say concern say this indirect. If the governor is popular as a claim, according to that person when he call. Why is he afraid of the direct primary?
Well, first and foremost, maybe you know the following which I talk since. I say, when you want to do direct primary, if they get what they do, what they call precedent, what you do, you need to get, first and foremost, an updated register.
Okay, you talk about all of those ones. So that one, they make the governor the fear to do it.
If you want to do that, before I joined this party, I've heard the PDP now.
Yeah, I know.
For PDP, that's we want to do direct primaries. 2-3 days to the direct primaries to elect delegates, for instance. They will publish the names, the register of party members. So we go say your name. They say you be as a member of the party. You do up to date. Now those people now they can't queue behind people. Where we say you go do option A4. That's what they do everywhere. Now the question when I ask, I say the party constitution for APC say every 6 months
you go update
you go they update. The register. Now start with the talk, so don't be waiting with the talk. Now don't be me and my brother write the constitution where we meet. Now see, since 2018 when we joined this party, after that convention we bring in the national chairman, that's Adam Soshomole as national chairman. When the party don't do update of the party register, like since my brother say I'm coming through APM, he never even go in ward, go join party. Well, he talk now say he go in word. I believe him because I know I right from time.
Okay.
Say if possible say he go. But many of them now upstairs there, and then they dangle as party members. They know the ground.
And they say all policies supposed to be from the grassroots.
All policies supposed to be from the grassroots. That's what I talk say. Then they say direct primary because they get one person where they Abuja there as national chairman. We say they go compile one result give. If somebody come tell you say now so they do for unit this now this number of people come out. You know the man say I don't accept this result. I don't accept it. Like he talk just and say. The program of Oshomole, Adam Soshomole, now one of the programs na direct primaries. But I want to make you know, say, when we conduct primaries for 2018, now Adam Oshomole will be national chairman. The way you also talk about say issue of say the thing corrupt, not corrupt. Oshomole himself, when he do in primaries first and second time, he do indirect, he not do direct for himself. To show say he popular well with people. When he want bring in then Godwin Obaseki, before Godwin Obaseki emerge as candidate, why not say they go do indirect? Because it is easier.
It is convenient for
it is more convenient for everybody to stay one place. They go to vote, you go to count them. So whether you trust the delegates, say that the bad delegates, the delegate they corrupt. Let me say, if you never trust the delegates where they go, because there are people who will say by status they are already delegates, including some of these people will be saying they mention their names, so they will simply buy those ones. If you because when you get convicted of what you want to do, and you do on this side, so they talk say that if you come, they can't give you 10,000-20,000 naira, you will change your mind from what you plan to do. Then lastly, the whole world as at today, they do lockdown. They observe social distancing. Not because I remove this in just a moment of profit here. Everybody they conscious of his or her health in view of this COVID-19. Which one they easier? To the say, 300 people go gather for Lankbese. Other 700 go gather for St. Savior. Other this go gather. Where is it easier to transmit infection than when you get about 3,000 delegates coming to one place? At the point of entry, they screen everybody. So who get COVID-19 will enter the final place for the primary.
Even if it's a delegate.
Even if it's a delegate, we get COVID-19, no go enter.
Okay.
For instance. So what they say no go enter. They get health experts, NCDC experts, we say that they check people. But these NCDC experts, can you deploy them to the wards and the units to go and screen people to now line up, say they want to do direct primary. So what will they talk about? See, there's a difference between the quest for power, that's at the hungry, I want to grab power by all means, or the quest to see development of our place.
But bro, make we check all of these things. So. Are we trying to say now, say, if this COVID-19 not finish, we not go do an election again? Especially when INEC don't talk and say, they know they change the time. Well, so we must do the election.
That will not be my decision or your decision.
Now what you talk, yes, I don't know the right on the back of that one.
Decision and my decision to make that for INEC and the national convenience as at that time. But the political parties first. Other parties, they do primaries now. Other parties want to do primaries. Everybody, they go with the mood of the moment, the mood of the time. As the time be. Not be as condition be, not be so personally they adapt. During dry season, you carry umbrella, they walk out for street. Don't be when you go
ask a question.
Don't be when they go to fall, don't be you go carry umbrella. So if the conditions not there, if the thing is up before the election, INEC also tell us, say, this is the way the election.
If you don't ease up, go.
Now they do that INEC, me and you know be INEC.
Okay.
They also tell us, say, in view of who tells you they don't postpone election? Who tells you they don't declare emergency and say it is not possible to hold an election due to so and so and so and so? Those are the INEC. That will not be my problem or your problem. My problem are your problem for now as party members now as they talk for
the welfare of the people.
Now the welfare of your party members, taking into consideration
the COVID-19
situation. Then, but when you now form say the COVID-19 thing not concern you. People not do market. People not do this. Why people not go market? People want eat because you and I know say self-preservation is the first law of nature. You need to be alive to feel say you want to do anything. So if you stop people to go buy things, then the kind of society we live in, even abroad where you come from, you know say they get more shopping malls where they go, where they more organized. Their kind of market, not our kind of market. This is our kind of market where we get here. So you don't have to stop people. But you can also see, say, at most entry points to the market, like when I come here just now, that area was in primary school, with the name of the school. I see COVID-19 people there. I see all those things. So government too, they also try as much as possible to screen. But how possible is it to distribute people to go and do screening in how many units in 182 wards to say they want to do direct primary? Okay,
but they live here now because time maybe our friend. They live here now. Which word be the last word we say want before you come out?
Correct my
no, if we correct everything, they correct. We don't go move.
No, you don't finish now. The word you want to talk.
Just talk the word.
You know when you begin to talk, say abroad. Me. He know say when he dey House of Assembly as a majority leader, he know say me dey council that time. That was in 1999. Now here they bomb me, now here I grow. As him they go London, they come back. Now so me see they go come back. Me dey see for that side sometimes.
Ask me
he want to take that one hold my leg. He say I no go fit.
Since they bomb me, me never stay London for 3 months. I don't say America. I don't say he don't stay London for years. As in not call Nigeria once.
Okay. So your last one we say we talk now.
My leader no say he's a Yamuna APC member.
No, we not call campaign for anybody.
You know say he carry card.
I don't know.
He see him card.
I don't see him.
You know say na Ikoba Oka from come. He's a Yamu come from Orion. Boko ward. Now he from come. Me even know him.
We go to do.
We go to do. Now he from come. He go there, carry card. Now he watch chairman give her the card. When he see say, it be like say they don't they worry the watch chairman. Now he go back to online. Now he still register. He talked yesterday for Arise TV. He said he still go back. He still go register himself through online. If they go meet the watch chairman, they can't put pressure on her. He can't talk like. Computer no dey talk like.
Which date will they go online?
Computer no talk like.
Me go tell
But
you.
if you reach Abuja now, go check the website whether you no go see him name.
Okay.
So
now the last one we say want to talk about.
Now the one last one.
Okay, before I come, which last word you get before we talk? Before we leave.
The last word when I want to talk to Edo APC members, now make all of them follow the proper procedure wey go give us credibility for anything we do.
Okay.
Make them follow waiting, go make everybody say this party, now everybody go to join for this state.
Okay.
And make them support all the good work. As far as I'm concerned, the popularity wey PC get for this state today, and all the things wey Obaseki dey do. Now, even blind people wey blind, they feel and they see am through their achievement. So when some people come say because we dey find power by all means, we must grab our power. As we dey here now, I say I don't know say this ITB not dey here. That one not be true talk. So make we dey talk am as it be. I don't think anybody don't aspire. Anybody fit aspire, but make we do things in the way we be say the whole world go know say we supposed to be party where everybody go to emulate. That's how I talk and reach.
Honorable Matthew Ijo Ikere, former majority leader, this House of Assembly, we thank you so much. And maybe Director of Strategy, the Chairman Edo APC Mobilization Committee. Thank you so much when you say you show your face. I want to thank you, our brother too, Paras Alile, when you be Director of Strategy, POI Campaign Organization. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
You have to be the talk, so we could do the things then the way it's supposed to be. We'll take a small break. When we come back, continue for what we say we start. Name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. Don't go anywhere.